I'm going to show you how to attach this to this so that it doesn't bubble. You're going to use E6000 fabric. Flip this over. I just put like droplets here all the way around. Not too many because then it'll get hard and crusty. And go about, I would say, here around the edges, just where the black starts to meet the white yarn. When you flip it over, center it where you want it to go. Flatten it out. Me personally, I use something heavy to hold it down. So then I'll put like a candle or something right there. Within a few hours, you'll notice that it stays put. It doesn't have the bubble like this or anything like that. And then you could just go ahead and sew underneath to attach the rest of it to hold it down.